Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Mohd Mujahid. I'm the leader of the XG design group. So our group want to make a porridge separator, aka bubur lampu machine that will help uh, member authority of mosque during Ramadan session. So for the organization chart, here is our organization chart. We have a project engineer, a design engineer, manufacturing engineer, and quality control engineer. So our objective is to design a small, portable, and simple machine to ease the process of preparing porridge. Other than that, we want to reduce the time taken and increase the quantity of the packaging. So lastly, to reduce the cost of manpower and time used for the member of the mosque authority during fasting. So for the problem statement, there is no device to split the porridge in the same amount. So we can tell that this is the new idea that we invent. So the porridge take a lot of time to be packed into the plastic container. So this is the element that we want to focus on. The benefit the society, we want to reduce the manpower energy, want to increase the packaging process rate, the environmental friendliness, and the product costing. So you want to build a machine that is affordable and low cost with the suitable material that will withstand the pressure, what we call the element. So for the chapter to define task, we gather information, we make a research background about the separator porridge machine. So there is a type that we can use literatures, patent search, we can use a catalog, commercial product that have been existed.
So good morning everyone. So I would like to show you how it works, how the machine is functioning. So right, this is our machine. So without any further, so let's jump to the process. Okay, for the next part of the process, which is we fill up the porridge with a filler until it reaches the stirrer and slowly push on the button for the motor to rotate the stirrer. We want to make sure that all the product is in the best position without any obstacle during the process. And then we turn on the solenoid to open the gate system, which place we can place the product on the container at the bottom of the solenoid to ensure that everything is perfect without any obstacles during the process.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Mohd bin Said. Okay, for this semi-auto porridge separator, my friend and I do the drawing for this project. Okay, for the semi-auto porridge separator, it consists three main part, which is the body, the filler to put to close and open, and the body, the stand. Okay, first the body, it consists the stirrer, the container to store the porridge, and the funnel to allow the porridge to go through it, and the solenoid is set as to stop and continue the porridge to go through it. Okay, next the failure of this container is to open and close to put the porridge into it. Okay, for the last part is the body, the stand. The stand is act as the support to support the body. That's all.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. Today I'm going to present to you about how we make our prototype. So the first process is rapid prototyping, and 90% of our prototype using the process of prototyping, which is we use polylactic acid as our material. This polylactic acid material, or we call PLA, we choose it because it's cheap and quite sturdy. So our prototype have different density of prototyping, which is this stand is 70% of density, while the stirrer and the box is, the control box is 50% of density. So after we print the part needed, we need to assemble it. So most of the part we use, if you can see here, we use screw and connector to assemble the stand, and part of it we use epoxy resin to make it a little stronger. So another thing we assemble is the control box, which is the wiring to solenoid bulb and motor. So we assemble it by soldering process, and then the component that we use are mostly motor, solenoid, and a couple of wires and switches. Also to the power source of the motor and the solenoid is 9-volt battery for the motor and 1.5 volt and 12 set of AA battery. So that's all from
Using 3D printing for prototyping is sustainable because it reduces material waste, allows for local production, enable quick design iteration, eliminate or reduce the need for expensive tooling, promotes customization, and facilitates environmental assessment. It's important to choose eco-friendly material for printing to enhance sustainability further. Overall, 3D printing helps reduce waste, energy consumption, and transportation emission while enabling faster and customized prototyping. In terms of costing, affordable and low-cost suitable material that have high endurance will be used for prototyping.